If you're checking luggage in 2025, there's more at stake than just a delayed bag. Theft, mishandling, digital scams, and even infestation threats are rising sharply in airports around the world. This video is made for cautious travelers, especially international flyers, older adults, and anyone relying on checked baggage. We'll expose the most dangerous and overlooked mistakes that could ruin your trip before it starts. From packing to pickup, these are the new rules you must know. Check the official flight resource links and travel essentials in the description to protect your luggage and peace of mind. And don't forget to subscribe to Epic Voyage for weekly updates on airport rules, flight hacks, and must-know travel alerts. 1. Writing your home address on a luggage tag. Writing your full home address on your luggage may seem like a smart move in case your bag gets lost, but in reality, it puts your privacy and security at risk. In 2025, identity theft and opportunistic home burglaries are on the rise. If someone sees that you're traveling for several days, your unattended house becomes a prime target. Airports are public spaces and baggage tags are visible to numerous people, many of whom are not security vetted. Instead of listing your personal address, use your work address or a generic business card. A flap-style luggage tag can keep your information hidden from plain view while still being accessible if your bag is misplaced. 2. Checking in too early. Early isn't always better when it comes to luggage check-in. Bags checked 4 or 5 hours before departure often sit idle in unsupervised zones, especially during off-peak hours. According to the 2023 SITA Baggage Insights report, 36.1 million bags were mishandled worldwide, with 42% of them disrupted during long transfer or idle periods. Some terminals lack real-time tracking or appropriate storage protocols for early bags, increasing risk. Aim to check in 90 minutes before domestic flights or 2 or 3 hours before international departures. Not only does this limit exposure to loss or damage, but it also ensures your bag moves through the system with the rest of your flight's cargo. 3. Using priority or high-value labels. Many travelers attach priority, fragile, or high-value labels, hoping for special handling. Unfortunately, these tags may work like magnets for opportunistic theft. In crowded terminals, such labels imply there's something expensive inside: electronics, jewelry, or premium gear. Baggage handlers, airport staff, or even other travelers may take notice. In some theft cases reported by travel insurance companies, the only bags tampered with were the ones flagged with such markers. Skip the temptation to make your bag look special. It's better to fly under the radar with plain, unmarked luggage that doesn't attract attention. 4. Ignoring bedbug risks in hotels. You've landed, you're tired, and your first instinct is to toss your bag on the bed. In 2025, this can be a critical mistake. Bed bugs are a growing global issue, not limited to budget hotels. The National Pest Management Association reports that even luxury hotels in major cities like New York, Paris, and Tokyo have seen increasing infestations. Bed bugs are expert hitchhikers, and once they enter your suitcase, they're nearly impossible to detect until it's too late. Always place your luggage in the bathtub or on a hard surface when arriving. Bed bugs cannot climb smooth surfaces, making this a practical barrier. A thorough inspection of your room, especially the mattress seams, should be standard protocol for every traveler. 5. Not cleaning luggage wheels after arrival. The bottom of your luggage collects more bacteria than most public restrooms. Your bag's wheels have traveled across street curbs, airport bathrooms, taxi trunks, and more. In a study from the University of Arizona, suitcase wheels tested positive for fecal bacteria, flu viruses, and traces of harmful pathogens. Bringing that into your home or hotel room can compromise your personal space. Always clean your suitcase wheels with disinfectant wipes as soon as you reach your destination. It's a small step that can prevent illness and keep your living space hygienic, especially important if you're sharing accommodations or have children in your travel group. 6. Tossing boarding passes and luggage tags without destroying them. Many travelers are unaware of the wealth of personal information stored in barcodes. These include your name, booking reference, frequent flyer number, and even passport data if connected to a loyalty account. Scammers can scan these codes using smartphones and commit identity theft, access your airline profile, or steal miles. Once your flight is complete, destroy your boarding pass and baggage stub thoroughly. The best method is shredding or blacking out with a marker before disposal. Keep your baggage stub in your passport until your luggage is retrieved to resolve any issues with lost bags. 7. Using generic black suitcases without markings. At any busy baggage claim, most suitcases look nearly identical. That's no coincidence. Over 70% of travelers use black or dark-colored luggage. This increases the chance that someone could walk off with your bag, either accidentally or deliberately. To avoid confusion, personalize your luggage with colorful tags, duct tape, or a bright luggage belt. Some travelers even use a custom luggage cover with their initials. Choose a unique design or color. Orange, teal, or even patterned designs are easier to spot. It's a simple fix that can save time and prevent theft. 8. Using soft bags with external pockets for checked luggage. Soft bags may be easier to pack, but they're more prone to tearing, punctures, and broken zippers during rough handling. External pockets are often unsecured, making them vulnerable to snags or theft. For checked luggage, hard-shell suitcases made of polycarbonate or ABS plastic are better options. These materials absorb impact and protect your belongings more effectively. A hard case also resists water better, an important feature when luggage is exposed to rain on the tarmac. Always choose function over fashion for checked bags. Checked luggage doesn't always make it to the right place, even when everything seems fine. Lost bags, unexpected detours, and delayed deliveries happen more often than airlines admit. Have you ever had your luggage go missing or show up in the wrong country days later? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story, and your experience might help others stay better prepared. 9. Not taking a photo of your bag and contents before check-in. Photos are essential in the event of loss or damage. If your bag is delayed or stolen, a quick photo of its exterior and contents gives you leverage when filing a claim with the airline or your insurer. Take pictures just before check-in, ideally in the terminal. Include open shots showing electronics, clothing, and valuables. For higher protection, keep a simple inventory list on your phone with a few key items named and described. This evidence increases your chances of compensation if things go wrong. 10. Leaving old airline tags attached. Old barcodes can interfere with automated baggage systems. These systems scan every tag on your bag and use the first valid one they find. If your old tag is still readable, your suitcase could be sent to the wrong city or even another continent. A Lufthansa baggage handler reported that unremoved tags were a common reason for misdirected luggage. Before arriving at the check-in counter, inspect your bag and remove all outdated tags, stickers, or airport barcodes. It only takes a moment and can save you days of frustration. 11. Not using a GPS tracker in your luggage. GPS tracking technology is affordable and incredibly effective in 2025. Devices like Apple AirTag, Tile, and Samsung SmartTag work worldwide and can help pinpoint your bag's exact location in real time. In recent case studies, travelers used trackers to recover bags the airlines had misplaced, including bags left on tarmacs or rerouted to the wrong city. Prices have dropped under $40 per unit, and they're TSA compliant as long as the lithium battery is under 0.3 grams. Place the tracker in a hidden compartment inside your suitcase and consider adding a decoy one to confuse thieves. 12. Forgetting to pack essentials in your carry-on. It's a rule that never gets old. Airlines often lose or delay bags, especially on international flights or connections shorter than 1 hour. Always pack one full change of clothes, essential medications, a toothbrush, and chargers in your carry-on. Don't forget any items that would be difficult or expensive to replace abroad, like prescription glasses, allergy medication, or regional power adapters. This simple habit ensures that a lost bag is only a minor inconvenience, not a trip-ending crisis. 13. Standing too far from the baggage carousel. Luggage theft at baggage carousels is more common than many realize. In busy terminals, a thief can blend in with the crowd and walk off with someone else's suitcase in seconds. Always head straight to the carousel after disembarking. Stand close and keep your eyes on the bags coming out. If you miss your bag, it may only take a few minutes for someone else to take it, deliberately or by accident. Alert airline staff immediately if your suitcase doesn't arrive. 14. Skipping the luggage cover. A stretchable luggage cover offers triple protection. First, it helps your suitcase resist scratches and stains. Second, it adds an extra layer against tampering. Most thieves skip over bags that require extra steps to open. And third, it increases visibility at baggage claim. Choose a cover made from spandex or polyester and select something colorful or unique. Many covers are washable, making them reusable across multiple trips. As of 2025, several TSA-compliant covers are available with built-in lock mechanisms or anti-theft zippers. 15. Packing valuables or fragile items in checked bags. Airlines discourage placing high-value items in checked luggage for a reason. Checked bags are stacked under high pressure, dropped during transfers, and sometimes left in open weather. Even well-padded electronics, glassware, or keepsakes can be crushed. Jewelry, laptops, tablets, and important documents should always go in your carry-on. Travel insurance often excludes reimbursement for valuable items packed in checked bags unless pre-declared. Know what your coverage allows and assume your checked bag will be treated roughly. 16. Misunderstanding, oversize limits, and airline rules. Oversized luggage can result in surprise fees or denied check-in. Most major airlines use the 62-inch rule for checked bags, measuring total length, width, and height. Going over by even an inch could cost you $100–200 per leg of your journey. Airlines like Delta, American, and Lufthansa each enforce size limits differently for domestic versus international flights. Always measure your suitcase, including wheels, and check your airline's baggage policy in advance. Oversized sports gear, strollers, or instrument cases often require special handling. Don't assume one airline's rules apply to another. Traveling with checked luggage in 2025 doesn't have to be risky, as long as you know what to avoid. From tracking devices to TSA-compliant packing routines, mastering these 16 updated rules will keep your belongings safe and your travel stress-free. Check the official flight resource links and travel essentials in the description to make sure you're prepared for every trip. Subscribe to Epic Voyage for more critical air travel updates, airport secrets, and insider flight tips every single week. Travel smart, travel safe, and see you in the next video.